And finally, after all those chaos, I received this parcel from the brand The Tall Elephant. So this is going to be the unboxing, flip through, and my honest review on this particular planner or the little black box. So yeah, I'm actually excited. And before we begin, let me just give a conclusion of what happened, because in my previous video, I did share the challenges that I was facing with the shipment. So after we posted the video, I did receive a response from them in Instagram. Like in email, I haven't received anything, but in Instagram, they did respond saying that they have raised a complaint to the courier partner. Initially, I mean, my problem was they did not raise a complaint. That was my main problem, and they were not understanding the situation. But then after all this, they did raise a complaint, and they confirm me on a timeline that if I don't receive the parcel by 14th or 13th, the Saturday, they will dunzo me on Sunday. That's what they said. But unfortunately, I was also not at home by that time, and I requested if they can dunzo it early, but then they said no, we have to wait till Saturday. And surprisingly, I got it delivered by Saturday. I was thinking I'll have to dunzo it only by Sunday, because there was no status update in the the portal even till Friday night. So I was thinking I'm not going to receive it because the estimated delivery kept changing. But then I waited, and like Saturday, I got a call from India Post, and they said they'll be delivering the parcel. And I thought the parcel will be damaged also. Even they said, Tall Elephant team also said me, if there's any damage, please do take unboxing video so that we can replace your product, and we can claim that also from the courier company. But then surprisingly, there was no damage. Look at it, the package was completely safe, and I've received it. Now let's unbox and see what's inside. So thank you so much for supporting that, and in case you are still facing challenges, kindly reach out to them, and I think they will support you mostly. So yeah, so this is a resolution that I have got, and finally the parcel is in my hand, and my excitement actually dropped till I received this, because you guys know how excited I was the previous week. But then after seeing the parcel, now I'm again excited to unbox it and see what's in. Not the exact excitement I had before, but then still, let's see how it is. So hey guys, Vanakkam and welcome back to another video of Keep Going. This is Benny, and without any wait, let's get started. Now let's unbox this together. Oh. So this is how the packing is. Packing is really so good. This is the journal pouch that they have given. It's very soft, and there's some cushion inside. It's so cute. And okay, they have given their brand logo over here. I hope you can see it. And yeah, that's how it is. You can carry it around. They have this thing. And let's see, there's something inside. Okay, I think this is the gift that they have given for the first 100 orders. As I said, I was part of that. So this is something they had for 2025 or 2024. I honestly haven't used it. This is something that you can put it on your journal and use it, and you can keep your pens here. So I have a similar one already, which is unused also. Now there's something new here. Let's see what's this. I'm a person who actually takes time to, unpack stuff, because I don't like to tear them off. But let's see how much I can do at this time. Okay, so this is a travel journal. This is again was part of one of their previous year's collection. So, if you are a person who loves to travel, you can use it. I don't know how far I'll be using it. So it'll have pages which you can easily tear it and keep it in your planner or stick it in your planner also. I'm not going much into the details, because this is one of the old collection. If you want the details, let me know. I can maybe share something in Instagram if required. So this is the freebies that they have given for the first 100 orders. But this pouch is actually so good, guys. I hope, I wish you can feel them. There's some cushion and all, so it's pretty. So now let's see what their next product is. So yeah, let's open this. Oh, the little black box is here. I love they have given even the foam in black to match their theme. So it's very nice. Oh my god, it's so heavy, guys. Honestly, this looks much smaller than their previous year collections, but it's actually, bigger when you see the height part. So, oh my god, here it is. Okay, this is the name change request that I asked for. And it's so cute to see it. Oh, it's so pretty. Now let's open this. They have given this sheet to protect the box. So this is how the box is with the tree, and I really love these little fireflies. So they said that this will be the theme and you can find it throughout this particular hamper. So let's see how it is. So this is how the box is. So there's a slight damage here in the corner, but it's not a big deal. It's looking pretty, and yeah, this is the name without the cover. So it's so cute. And I love it. This was actually their 2024 little black box. You can clearly see the size difference. 2024 box and 2025 box was actually the same. And out of all of them, I really love the 2024 box because that was literally very strong compared to the other boxes. And this is how, the print was. And yeah, I have kept everything safe inside, whichever belongs to 2024. And the freebie that they gave, this one, right? This was same as what we received in 2024. And this travel journal is something new to me because I remember seeing this in their 2023 bundle, I guess. So yeah, correct me if I'm wrong. So I don't have this one. So this is going to be a new addition to my collection because I have started using DT only from 2024. So yeah, this is it. So this is the box for 2024. And this is the box for 2025 and this is 2026. So I just thought to show you to see the size difference. But if you see the height, this is pretty bigger compared to this maybe. So yeah, this is the difference that you have. But out of all the boxes, I actually love this box. It's very strong, guys. Not going much into the details, let's open the 2026 box now. And this box looks more stronger than the 2025 version. So yeah, now let's open this. Ta-da! So it starts with this welcome note with the message from the founder and also from their team, I believe. So next, this packing has always been the same starting from their 2024 version, which I have used. So there's no difference in the packing at all. It's the same black thing and the same logo. Now let's open this. It's quite some time since I saw the launch, so even I'm not very sure of all the products. Let's see them one by one. Okay, this is their 3 notebooks. Or not 3, there are more. Okay, so the first is their brain dump. Oh, I wish you can see this, guys. They have given this golden font here. Can you see? It's so pretty. And you can even touch and feel it. It's so nice. So this is your brain dump notebook. So this is a normal plain notebook. It's very nice. And the paper quality is also very good. It's not something that will bleed so fast. It's very nice. So it's good. And they have their logo back. And even that they have given that golden foil thing. And it shines so pretty. It's very nice. And then you have the next notebook, which is Mind Map. This also has their logo behind, and this is again another dot grid note. So this is so pretty. That was plain and this is dot grid. It's a nice one. And then we have this book, which is Book of Messages. This also has their logo back, and this comes with a lot of messages which you can easily write, tear and give it to your dear ones. And towards the end you have some plain ones also, so you can use it however you want. And next we have this notebook, which is everything in between with their logo. Again, I love these colors. So this is pretty different because last time they had some dividers and a notebook which you can use it. This time they have given some designs there so you can write what you're using this for. And similarly, you can use it for different purposes. So this is how they have given this time. So that was the first one. Now let's open the next. Okay. Oh, this is something I was waiting for. This one says light within cards. Let's open this. This is something like affirmations that you can read every day. Some positive quotes that you can, read it for yourself. This is so good. I actually have so many collection like this from them, and it's very nice. And then we have this cute notepad. Initially when they launched, they showed this with some soft cover, but now they have changed it to a hard cover, which is actually so good because it is more durable than a soft cover one. This comes with 2 memo pads. One says lists and one says notes. So it's actually not aligned properly, as you can see. Can you see that? There's an alignment issue over there. So this you can easily write it and tear it, and you have different colors, and this is for your shopping list. You can use it. So this is cute, and I wish the alignment was fine. I think the alignment of notes is incorrect. And I don't think I can change that also. So it's a little misplacement. Apart from that, it's pretty good. Okay, they have their logo here for this. Now, let's open the next. It's so good to unbox, these new products for New Year. It actually feels like a New Year now. Last year, I saved all these black papers thinking I'll do some junk journaling with it. And I had it till around 6 or 7 months, but I did not use it. I don't know if I'll be doing something out of this black papers this time at least. So in case you have any ideas, let me know. I really wish I make use of them. Wow, this is the calendar. Look at it. It's so pretty. Look at these tiny dots. I don't know if you can actually see it in camera. It's so pretty, those little golden dots, and this says 2026. This is similar to their 2024 calendar. This was their 2024 calendar, so the size, everything looks pretty the same, but I really love this design for 2026. And 2025 was pretty very big. You can see the size difference. So this time it's more or less same like the 2024 calendar. Now let's open this calendar. Okay, so this has some artwork and a calendar view one side, and the opposite side is something like this where you can write your important appointments and all of those details. So it's pretty good. It's actually exactly the same like the 2024 version, but I love it. Let's see the designs for the other months. Feb, March, April. It's actually so pretty. May, June. Oh, this is so cute. July, August, September. Oh, I actually love this one more than September. June is so pretty. Okay, let's see the other months. October, this is also pretty, cute one. November and December. My favorites were October and June. So yeah, which was yours? And they have their logo on the back, and that's it about the desk calendar. Now let's open this. Oh, this came out so good. What is this? Oh, this is the sticker book. This is actually the sticker book they had for 2025, and you can see the size difference. But this had more pages compared to this. And even for 2024, it was pretty smaller. But we had two books, one for journal and one for planner. But this time they have given it as a single book, but still it's good. And even in this, you can see this gold foil, and towards the back, you have the branding. So it's a pretty one. So this is how it is. Okay, this time I feel the sticker sizes, they have increased a bit compared to last year, because last year also we had similar designs, but the sizes were pretty very small. So, and it's pretty easy to use this also. Oh, this is new this time. I haven't seen this in the past sticker books. So, yeah, that's pretty new. I think most of the stickers are new. Even this is new. This is looking cool. This is also very nice, and you can use it. So these are something which they have newly added. Okay, they have changed something for masterclass. Okay, the stickers are pretty actually cute and functional. So I love it. Next, let's open this. Okay, this is something completely new that they have launched this time, and I am so excited to see it too. So let's see. So this is the Book of Joy. So I really love the way they have given this print. It's very pretty. So look at it. It's so nice. It has some minute scratches on the bind. I don't know if it's visible. But that's very minute. And back we have the brand logo. In this, it's not complete. There's some issues in that print. I don't know if you can see it, by the way. So let's see what this book is about. So this book actually has some activities that you can do. They have given the activities here. So it's just that you notice the very little things that happen in life, and you actually live the moment. So that's how I read it. So for example, here it says watch people clapping together and capture the sound in your memory. So when people clap, it's just a normal thing, but this actually makes you be more present in the moment to listen to the sound and all of that. So that's how this book is about. It has a lot of other activities that you can do also. They're all like very simple things that you get to do in life, and you just capture them very clearly here. It's a good thing. And look at these cute illustrations. Oh my god, they're so pretty, isn't it? I never knew elephants can be this cute. That's how they are. Okay, so it's a pretty book with pretty elephant illustrations, and it's a very new product in Tall Elephant, so I'm excited to use it. If you're watching this video till now, I hope you found this video really helpful. So don't forget to hit that like button because that will help this video reach even more audience. And please share this video to your friends and family, or if there's anyone who's interested in planning, journaling, stationery, share this video to them because they will find it more interesting. And if you have an option to hype this video, please do hype it. And I hope you've already subscribed to this channel. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to join this little community where we spread love, happiness, and lots of positivity. I'll see you soon in another video. Until then, it's Tara. Bye-bye from Benny. Spread love, spread smiles. Keep going. Bye.